Welcome back, guys. Now let's go ahead and log into the Palo Alto. We have just one interface configure. Uh, this guy, ETH 1.1 or 1-1. As per the topology, we need to configure these guys as well. So this switch is configured with respect to the management profile. So I would like one PC also who's go to the Palo Alto Firewall, but not from the management itself. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'll just click to this guy. I'll take this cable. I'll attach to the switch. Okay. So as you can see, this is a lab environment. It will ask me like which interface and what details you need to have. So this is what it is. If I go to the uh, Palo Alto 1-2, I would say the internal one. So that is what I'm going to do. So choose interface for Palo Alto. It's a 1-2 and GI 1-0 or 1 uh, the /0. Okay, I'll just click OK. So now what happens? I have one more interface configure. Uh, I would like to have this guy, go or use that interface to reach to the Palo Alto. This guy will be the internal one. So what I need to do, I have to come here and I would say it's inside interface. So I'll just give that name inside. Okay. It's a L3 communication. So layer 3 network profile is none. Virtual router for now will be okay with the default. Security zone, we don't have more zones, we just have the outside. Now we'll have one more, which is inside. We'll just give it a name. Just give it a name inside. Log setting is okay. Interface will not appear here now. So that's it. We don't have to deal more over here. I'll just say okay. Here I give inside. As soon as I okay all these details, it will automatically uh, go this interface to this inside. So now I have to give the IP address, but that I need to decide now. So inside topology, let's think and do that. So let me just right click and I say generally the inside networks belongs to 10 networks. Oh, sorry, 10 series. So that is what I am now planning. Let me just do this here. Give it a network range 10.1.1.0/24. Okay. So this guy will be the inside one. So we'll give the IP address based on this series only to the interface and the PC. So for this PC, I would say the IP will be 10. Okay, and to this interface I'll give the IP 1. So let's do one more duplicate. Just come here and here I would say 1. Okay, just for the better visibility, we need to separate this little bit if we can. Okay, so I hope we can see it well. So I can see that ETH 1/2 is here. So I'll just keep this IP address here. So the IP address I need to give 10.1.1.1/24 is fine. Okay, and if we need to reach here via ping, I'll just have to give that profile. So we have already that profile configure. Okay, So here 10.1.1.1 is the IP address as per the topology, and the other side we need to enable this guy. So let me just run this PC, and as once I commit the changes, it will give you green signal. So meanwhile, just go ahead and do that. So I'm just committing the changes, and let's go back to the topology, and here we'll turn on this PC. I just want boot this PC, and after that we'll just give the IP address. And once the IP address is provided, we'll check if it is pingable. So I just want to give the password. Okay, let me give the password. All right. Now let's go ahead and just okay. So it took automatic IP address from the DHCP, but we don't want to give that IP address. So I just want to go ahead and change the setting, and as we can see here, this guy is obtaining IP address automatically. We don't want that. Just give the IP address. So IP address is 10.1.1.10. Give it a subnet mask 255.255.255.255.0. Default gateway would be the Palo Alto IP address, which is 10.1.1.1 inside interface IP address. And for now, give the DNS. We'll use the public DNS from the Google itself. Okay, so this looks good. Close, and once the configuration push, I can see the green signal here. Go back to the PC, and let's see we can able to ping the default gateway. So ping 10.1.1.1, so we can able to ping the default gateway. So basic setting is done. I can able to ping to this firewall from here. Okay, and the rest of the settings we'll be going to do. Meanwhile, we'll check all rest of the configuration, and based on that we'll do the rest of the setting. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you got some informative. So keep watching these videos.